Hello friends, this is Siri from Siri Tutor Blogs. Today we are going to see there was a request from some students saying that they want to know how to install the um, Spring Boot application. If the application is not installed in the Eclipse, how do they access the Spring Boot application? So just in case if you don't have a Spring Boot application like how I have here, so for me, if I type here, I am getting this Spring Boot application project here. But in case if you don't have it, you can just go into help and Eclipse Marketplace, and then you can search for whenever it loads, you have to just type in Spring Boot. Spring Boot. Okay. When you type in Spring Boot, I think there should be a space in between. Yeah, and the first one here, this is the one which you need. This is just an add-in. So this is the one you need. You can just install it. Once you install it, it automatically comes here. You will not be able to see the list over here, but when you go into other, you can just type in the Spring Boot Starter project, and you can click on next. And here here you can just give any project name. Spring Boot first app, and then I'm going to select Maven, and I'm going to leave it jar, and version name jar, and the language is Java, and click on next. And after clicking on next, you have to select web if you are doing a web application. Okay, so this is what Spring Web. And if you're dealing with MySQL server, you can add this dependency, and then if you want DevTools is for automatically restarting the Tomcat server whenever there is DevTools. This one, whenever there is a change in your code, it automatically restarts your Tomcat server. So it's very handy. It's very helpful. You can just add that one as well. So based on your requirement, your project requirement, you keep on adding your dependencies, and then click on next and click finish. And once you do that, yeah, this is my Spring Boot project. So the view is going to be like this. This is a normal Java project which I have created for running, for showing normal core Java programs. But for Spring Boot, the folder structure is going to be something little bit different. So yeah. So if you go inside a demo, here is the main method. You can run the main method here. I think it went somewhere. When you run it, I think we forgot to include Tomcat. That's completely fine. But when you run it, you will just see this. That it is. Now Tomcat is already embedded in web. So we have added already web dependencies. So when you run the application, it says like Tomcat is already started on to port 8080. Okay, so this is how you install a Spring Boot project. But just in case, if you want to open a normal Java project, you go into Java file new Java project, for opening a normal Java application to run any, normal core Java program. Say, for example, practice. Um, and then you click on next. You click on next. So I have a normal Java folder, Java project opened. Inside this, you have to create, for running your own application, for running any kind of program, you have to create another class here. Right click class, and then just you give a name here, and you can select a public static void main, and you give the package name here. Some package you can give. Okay, it can be anything, and you can write any for your practice purpose. Uh, you can write all kind of applications. Um, this is just a standalone applications you can run here, and in Spring Boot. Um, Okay, I'm going to show you how to run it. Yeah, just so it depends upon your requirement, what exactly you want to run. So based on that, you create classes and all such things, and you add the main method and then run from there. So Spring Boot application is strictly to run a Spring Boot application. This project is strictly for running a Spring Boot application. Where you can run REST APIs, you can run normal UI projects as well. You can create some UI from the front end. You can add some UI class objects, and you can run. Both ways you can do it. So it is basically to create a web application using Spring Boot. There is another way of creating a dynamic web application. So if you go to file new and other, type dynamic. So here you see dynamic web projects. So this is for those kind of projects. If you're trying to develop a program or an application that uses servlets, JSPs, the older technologies. JSPs are no more in the market right now, but if you just want to have hands-on experience, you can go and use dynamic web application. So yeah, so these are the you have many options to create projects. You can use Maven or Gradle, whatever is convenient for you as a to run the project, the build tool. So yeah, I this is pretty much it. I just want to give you a heads up on how you can create the projects. I hope you understand. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.